Booking is very important. What you can book, number one, is your flights. As you all know, flights punya price, dia kejap naik, kejap turun. So it's very important for you guys to monitor the price of the flights. And what I usually do is I always check the price of the flight dekat Skyscanner, so I can compare which one is cheaper, which one is more expensive. So I will definitely go for the cheaper one. And then accommodation. There are a lot of platforms that you can book your accommodation. My favorite is booking.com. And I sometimes use Agoda, but I think Booking.com dia lebih user friendly. And then you have to book your transportation. You can book it before or you can book it during the travel. But as for me, I suka book everything before so that I know how to calculate what is the budget and what is the cost, and I tak nak menyusahkan diri I nanti on the travel date. Make sure you print everything or you save it in your phone because you want all details and all data so it's easy to access. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like and don't forget to share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, comment below.